Colby, what's happening?
I don't know.
You got a tuna on, is what you got.
Doesn't feel like he's there now.
He's there. Keep cranking. We just had doubles. Mine got off. Colby's got a little tuna, I think, coming in.
He hit pretty hard.
Yeah. Comes.
Oh, there's color. There's a fish. The tuna thing.
Yeah, little tuna. Beauty. Don't fucking break the rod tip. Nope. Step back. Step back. Step back. Give me the rod tip. Step back. Give me the rod tip. Pretty cool. Oh, baby. Woo! Another little blaster. Little blaster for the box. Hey, good job, Colby.